We thought that building a new home would be a nightmare because the homes that we looked at, we were gonna have to change things. And this was not our first time building a home. Of course, there's always trust issues, but our experience was great. No stress whatsoever with them. And I think that that's what made our building experience successful for us and a happy experience. It was just a great experience to build with America's Home Place.
We are Debbie and John, and we worked with the Statesville, North Carolina America's Home Place location, and we chose the Oxford A floor plan. We actually knew someone that built a house with America's Home Place.
They were extremely happy. That's what led us there.
We decided to build with America's Home Place after talking to several other builders, and it just seemed like America's Home Place had everything available to them, all the resources. They had all the price quotes that we needed. They didn't have to think about it, get back to us.
America's Home Place had given us more attention and seemed to be more concerned about our needs and what we wanted and the willingness to make us a happy customer. So we went back to America's Home Place after talking with everybody else and said, this is what we want to do.
When we went to America's Home Place, we met with Jill and we told her what our needs were for a home, and she said, I got the floor plan for you, and she showed us the Oxford A floor plan. And then Jill told us when she was done with the floor plan part, then we would be passed on to Susan, who was the design person. So then we met with Susan and went to the design center, and I think we were there 4 hours with Susan the day, picking out everything for the house.
And she was very beneficial in advising us on things to do and things not to do. We were told that we would have a project manager that would be over the construction, and he would be our contact. Ours was Lynn. He was great to work with. He would tell you something. If something was going to take longer, he would say, this is what's going to happen, and this is why it's taking this long. I know that I would see something in the house I thought was off. I would mention it to him. He'd pull out his notebook and he already had it written down. So that really gave me an idea that they want to take care of us. The favorite part of our new home would be the kitchen. We can work together, cook together. If we entertain guests, they're right here with us.
The openness of it, it makes it very welcoming when we have company over. We can be in the kitchen and utilize that space, and also the living room, utilize that for company as well. It makes it very welcoming. We made a few changes to the original floor plan. We completely changed the kitchen. We added a double oven, which was important to me because I like to bake. We actually made the bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 a little smaller and moved that square footage to the master side of the house. So we made the master bedroom bigger and the garage bigger. I absolutely love the siding that we picked and the whole design of the outside of the house. We went with vertical siding and the shakes up at the top, and we chose to stay with the same color for the siding and the shakes. We have so many compliments from people that drive by and say, I absolutely love the outside of your house. The house was built on time and we weren't expecting that, and we weren't ready with our other house. We hadn't even listed it yet. What I liked about America's Home Place is everybody has their own area of expertise. They 100% knew what they were doing, and that was very beneficial.
Everyone that I speak to and they're talking about building a new home, I always refer them to America's Home Place. I said, it's one of the easiest things you'll ever do. The hardest part is picking your floor plan and your design. And once that's done, it's easy. America's Home Place was professional, courteous, and willing to help us with this endeavor in our life, knowing that this was more than likely going to be our forever home. It was just a great experience to build with America's Home Place.